This air-operated 6.5 to 1 oil pump kit from Roughneck helps you transfer and dispense oil in your shop or garage. Easily dispense high viscosity oil up to SAE 240 for mobile installations and fixed system at long distances. Quickly dispense oil with the 4.7 GPM flow at 30 to 150 PSI. Get long life and less wear from the pump's smart design. Smoothly move drums from 15 gallons to 55 gallons and up to 400 pounds, all on the heavy-duty trolley, which has 6-inch polyurethane front wheels and 5-inch nylon steering casters with brakes for safe maneuvering. Accurately monitor oil with the digital oil control valve and meter. Neatly store up to 30 feet of half-inch hose on the dual-arm steel hose reel. Easily transfer and dispense oil in your shop or garage with this air-operated 6.5 to 1 oil pump kit from Roughneck. Only at Northern Tool.